Shittiest the creator here, doing a review on Vibe Sound foldable sphere speakers. Well, I got these from Walmart for $5. Brought them home, tested them out. They sounded like crap, so I opened them up to see what kind of speakers were in them. These cheap little 8 ohm half a watt speakers. About to blow them up, honestly. Hook them up to a 444 watt amp and maybe give you guys a video of that, but they're cheap made. Big magnet for them, but sound quality is terrible. They were hooked up to a headphone jack like they were headphones, so I decided to test and see if the headphone jack made the speakers sound like crap. So I hooked these speakers from a 91 Accord to them, and they sounded fine, just not really loud because they need 15 watts. Yeah, they sounded great actually. So these speakers are junk. Yeah, that's my review for the most part. So, I mean, cheap plastic. Kind of want to break this right now, but I might find some better speakers and hook them into this. Probably not. Probably just destroy it, or just throw them up on a. I don't know. I might repurpose them for something. But yeah, cheap made. Do not buy these. The highs were okay. They were not loud. Sound quality was very scratchy. And at the highest volume, you could barely understand anything that was coming out of them. Yeah. No bass. So for you bass heads, do not grab these at all. They may look cool or whatever. They do not sound good at all. They're complete shit and a waste of money. Yep. So do not buy these. It's a waste of time and money. Alright. Talk to you guys later.